see. Good plunk. Oh, there we go. Fish on, baby. Right where I said. Come on, buddy. Oh, look at you. Oh, go getter. All right, calm down, dude. Hang on. Oh, you got one more? Yep. Okay. Hang on. Jeez, oh, Pete, hold still, dude. All right, all right. Yeah, little guy. But you know what? I'll take it because it's fun. Go on, get. Damn, this water's warm back here. Holy cow. I'm not kidding. I bet that water's close to 70 degrees. That feels like freaking bath water. It was like washing my hands in my sink. That was ridiculous. Dang. And like they say, well, supposedly, from what I read, 80% of the bites when you're fishing one of these happen on the fall, the second you cast it. Sure enough, that's exactly how that went. Cast her out, let her drop down. Pretty good right here on this weed line. Let's see. Oh, I think we got a spot. Yes, we do. Fish on, baby. There we go. Oh, this feels a little better. Come on, stay out of these weeds. Oh, don't come on, come on. There we go, come on, baby. Right on the edge of them weeds. Oh, no. Gosh, oh, freaking lily pads. Come on, dude. Swim out of it. Shit, you're right on the lily pad, bro. Come here. Alright, hold still a second, would you? Alright. Hang on. Look at that. There we go. A little better. Damn, dog. You would have set that hook anymore, you would have hooked yourself right in the eyeball. Alright, buddy.